Making condensed milk at home is super easy. We're going to add sugar to make it really sweet. So you'll bring to a boil 1 liter of whole milk and 250 grams of granulated sugar. That's it. For the first 20 minutes, you can leave it on medium heat and stir every 5 minutes. You don't need to stir it the whole time. Then you'll notice that it will start to rise a little, smaller bubbles will form, and these bubbles will start to move toward the center. It will kind of look like it's imploding, you know? Everything is going into the milk. When it starts moving like that, that's when it's already reducing. Now here's a tip. Put a saucer in the freezer, let it get really cold, and then take this saucer and drop a little bit of the condensed milk on it. It should run very slowly. When that happens, it's ready. Now let me give you a second tip. You're going to think it's way too soft. But that's the right point because it's still on the stove at boiling temperature. When it cools down, it'll get much thicker. So if you let it thicken in the pan, it'll get too hard, it'll turn into dulce de leche. So don't forget. Use the consistency of the store-bought condensed milk you know as your reference. You have to take it off while it's still much more liquid. Mine took about 38 minutes to be ready after it started boiling. But this time can vary because you might be using a wider pan, a thicker bottom pan, or your milk might have more or less water. So this time can vary, it's just for you to have a reference. The important thing is to check the consistency and keep testing it on the saucer. Usually, this recipe yields between 400 ml and 500 ml. Mine made 430. It lasts for 30 days at least in the fridge, well sealed. And when you go to use it, it's normal to have a little foam on top. That's because it was sitting and it's homemade, right? But that's okay, that's just how it is. If you're not subscribed to Panelaterapia, please do me a favor. Click on subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get all the updates, and stay on top of everything we post. See you in the next video.